Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Here's our in-depth look at Kinetic by Windstream Internet Service. Find helpful links to the provider in the description below. Kinetic by Windstream delivers internet service across rural and suburban landscapes, boasting a significant presence in over 18 states. Known for its diverse range of plans, Kinetic caters to a wide audience, including households, small businesses, and remote workers looking for speedy, dependable, and budget-friendly internet connections, particularly in regions where fiber optic availability is limited. A key advantage of Kinetic by Windstream is its offering of both fiber optic and DSL internet options. This flexibility makes it a versatile provider for users in various locations with differing infrastructure. For those lucky enough to have access to Kinetic's fiber service, speeds can reach an impressive 1 gigabit per second, delivering a blazing fast and stable connection. In areas where DSL is the primary offering, speeds typically range from 25 to 100 megabits per second, which remains adequate for everyday online activities like web browsing, streaming movies and shows, and video conferencing. Kinetic's pricing model is competitive, featuring straightforward plans without data caps. This allows for worry-free internet usage without the fear of overage charges. While fiber optic service generally provides faster speeds and lower latency, Kinetic's DSL plans still offer a reliable experience for users who don't demand the absolute highest speeds. Furthermore, Kinetic frequently offers bundled packages that combine internet, home phone, and TV services for greater savings. Customer support is another area where Kinetic by Windstream shines. They offer 24/7 assistance through various channels, including phone, online chat, and email. Their website also provides valuable resources for troubleshooting common issues and managing your account online. In summary, Kinetic by Windstream is a reliable option for users in rural or underserved communities needing dependable internet access at reasonable prices. Whether you opt for fiber or DSL, Kinetic provides a variety of plans tailored to different needs and budgets. Visit the links in the description for further details or to sign up for service.